Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to Mechanics of Material Lab, and today we are experiment is bending moment variation at point of loading, and in the second part we will see bending moment variation away from point of loading. The bending moment in a beam experiments gives you a visualization and proof of basic theory of bending moments, and this provides a sound foundation for future work, inshallah. So before starting the experiment, you are advised to follow these safety checks and visual all the parts including electrical leads. These are electrical leads and power cables to connect with 220 volts. Check this power and power cable, electrical connections, and all the parts relating to the related sensors to ensure these are in proper condition. So check all the components are secured correctly and fastenings are sufficiently tight. These are fastenings. ये fastenings है. इस फ्रेम को लगाने के लिए यहाँ पे इस apparatus को हैंग करने के लिए ये screws हैं, तो ये टाइट होने चाहिए. And position the test frame safely. Make sure it is mounted on a solid level surface, is steadily and easily accessible. So this height should be proper to operate this setup, and this should be a leveled. These are leveled screws, and this is tabletop unit. So never apply excessive loads. Never apply excessive loads on this beam using a hands or any other condition, or applying heavy loads here, which is not recommended for this experimental setup. So these are simple checks and safety to follow these steps to ensure the long life of this experimental setup and proper working. So this is experiment learning scheme. So all our students are advised to follow these steps. In the first step, understand the shear force and bending moment diagram. Use the following link. This is a YouTube video. It's a brief introduction and a brief lecture on the bending moment and shear force, and to generate the bending moment and shear force diagram. It will help you to recall the concept of theory. So in the second step, so this is the understanding of apparatus. This is a video. It shows the experimental setup, and this is short introduction of this experimental setup. This is also on the YouTube. And in the third step, please read the manual of the experiment which we supplied to you for the better learning. And in the fourth step, this is experimental demonstration, and follow this video. This will show to set the experimental setup and take the values. This link will help you. This is a good demonstration of our experimental setup. So after this, you can proceed to the next slide when we will perform the experiments in the virtual lab environment. So this is experiment learning scheme and prerequisites to perform the experiment in the virtual lab. So I advise you to follow all these steps for the better learning. In the first step, this is a brief video regarding the bending moment and shear force, and to build the shear force and bending moment diagrams. So this will recall your theory concept as you studied in the theory. So recall this concept. So in the second step, there is a short video of apparatus, and see this video, you will be familiar with the apparatus. And in the third step, please read the manual which we supplied to you for the better understanding and to perform and learning in the virtual environment. So in the first step, there is a demonstration, bending moment and shear force. So this is a combined video. In the first step, you can see here the video. This is a demonstration. This is also available on the YouTube. So in the fifth step, I advise you to move on the next step, and we will perform the experiment in virtual environment. So what is bending moment? Bending moment is reaction induced in a structure member when an external force or moment is applied to the element, causing the element to bend. As you can see here, these are structural member, these are beams, and you can see here the bending. The most common or simplest structure element subjected to bending moment is the beam. In this experiment, we will perform the bending moment on a beam, a simply spotted beam, and we will perform the bending moment on a beam. So there are two cases. If there is a compression in top fibers, forces are applied in such a way, tension in the bottom fiber, then there is sagging bending. So in the sagging bending, we use a sign convention normally as positive. In the other case, when there is a tension in the top fibers, forces are applied in such a way. So compression in the bottom fibers, when the beam will bend in this condition, this is called hogging, and we take it as a negative. This figure shows the components of our experimental setup, which is bending moment experiment. You can see here there is a beam, and there are two supports given here. One is rolling pivot, another one is support pivot. So you can see here a grooved hanger. This is important section in this beam to apply the loads. We will hang the loads on these hanger spots. So grooved hangers are here, and set zero control. This button is used to zero the digital force display, which is actually connected on the experimental setup in the lab. So this is force sensor, and this is moment arm. This is cut position. So cut position is very important in this section. There is a cut in the beam, and we will find the bending moment at this position. To stop the collapsing of a beam, a moment arm is connected on this section, and force sensor is connected at the end of this moment arm. So moment arm is very important to calculate the bending moment in this section. We will find the bending moment by using this distance and this arm length moment arm, which is 0.125 millimeter. So these ports are used to fix these apparatus on a structure. You will see on the next slide. So these are the components of our experimental setup. We will see the next slides in the detail, and we will apply the load using these grooved hangers with the different loads, and we will apply 1 and 2 hanger on the different positions. We will see bending moment as at this cut section. This is procedure for experiment number 10, a bending moment variation at point of loading. This is point of loading. You can see in the first diagram, point of loading is at the cut section of beam. So we will find the bending moment at this section. So in the first step, we will connect the software, and if we are performing in the lab, then we will zero the digital force display with no loads. So we will neglect the zero error, and then we will place the hanger with a mass of 100 gram. We will place the hanger at this section, cut position, and we will apply 100 gram mass and record the force value. Then we will repeat using 200 gram, 300, 400 and 500 gram at this cut section. Then in the next step we will convert this mass into load, and we will find the bending moment at this cut section. So remember that the length of moment arm is 0.125 meter. 0.125 meter is length of this moment arm, and we know the force. We will find the bending moment in the Newton meter. So we will calculate the theoretical value in this manner, and we will complete the table and generate the graph to show the relationship between point of loading and bending moment. Now we are in the virtual environment of TQ software. On the screen you can see here product range of TQ software. So today we will perform bending moment in a beam. So we will select this one. This is apparatus of bending moments in a beam, and here are two variants. First, you can see here you can connect actual units with this software to record the data. The next variant is for virtual experiments. So we will perform through this variant. We will select this virtual. Now you can see here on the right hand side there are different hangers with the different masses. This is 100 gram mass, this is 200, 300, 400 and 500. We will apply, as you can see in the figure 3, we will apply 100 gram on the cut position. So this is cut position and this is moment arm, which length is actually 0.125 meter, and these are reaction spots. We will apply 100 gram mass here. So we will drag this on the cut position. So you can see here load is applied 0.98 Newton by the help of 100 gram mass. So this is applied on the cut position. So we will see the bending moment, value of bending moment. You can see value of bending moment here, 0.09 Newton meter. Theoretically this software calculate this. When we will find in the actual, we see the force on the digital force display. We measure the force in actual, and then we will measure this distance of moment arm. This is 0.125 meter, and we will find the experimentally value of bending moment. So you can see here a bending moment diagram, and you can see here is positive bending moment is generated. It means in the beam there is sagging is generated in the beam. So by the sign convention we will take is positive, though this is a magnitude here 0.09 Newton meter. So we can record this data. We applied the variable hanger load. Now we will record the data. We mean here the table is generated with the results. I will send this table to you and you will counter verify these values. You can see here 100 gram mass is applied, 0.98 Newton load is applied, distance was 440 millimeter from the left, and experimentally you will find, and you can compare with this value. Here the values are shown, bending moment, and reaction forces are also shown, 0.31 and 0.6 on the left spot. This is 0.31 Newton, and on the right spot this is 0.67 Newton. Now we will move next. We will apply 200 gram force. So we will save this data. I have saved this data, and now we will drag this 200 gram onto the beam at the cut position. We applied 200 gram mass and force was 1.96 Newton. This load is applied on the same distance for 40 millimeter from the left hand side, and you can see the reaction forces and you can see bending moment diagram here. The magnitude of bending moment is 0.19 Newton meter with this load. We will see the data, record the data. We have recorded the data and you can see the data as well. You can see here table is generated for 200 gram and forces can be shown. Forces are shown here. You can compare these values with experimental values. Now similarly we will apply 300 gram. We will, before this we will save this data. Now you can apply at the cut position 300 gram mass, and this is generating the load of 2.94 Newton, and 0.28 Newton meter bending moment is generated. You can see the magnitude and it's positive. It means sagging is generated in the beam. Now you can see, record this data, and you can see here again the data for 300. Now we will repeat this for the 400 and 500 gram. Now we will apply 400 on the cut position. You can see here bending moment is 0.37 Newton meter. Again you will save this data and you will perform finally for the 500 gram. You drag and put on the beam at the cut position. You can see here bending moment diagram, bending moment value and reaction forces at the pivot support and fixed support, and distance is similar from the left to right. It's 440 millimeter. So we will see the record the data and we can see here the table for the 500 gram. So when you connect the unit with this software, you will see the force value of the force on the force display unit, and you will find the experimentally bending moment, and you can compare it with the theoretical bending moment. So these all values you are required to counter verify these R values by calculating the reaction forces and compare with these values and counter verify and complete this experiment.